Hey there, I want to share some more information with you on this WOWMD Glow Fusion Vitamin C Serum. Now, I've got pretty sensitive and dry combination skin, and this stuff works great. It helps to reduce fine lines and just bring moisture and revitalization into the skin. It's very easy to apply. I've been using it for just a few days now, and I can already see a difference in just how bright my skin is and smooth. I use this after I wash my face and let it air dry after, before applying my moisturizer, my SPF, and my makeup. And I found that my makeup goes on really smooth after I use this, which I love. I also would say this works for such a wide variety of skin types, so I can really appreciate that. Another great thing about this product is that the fragrance is very minimal. So I'm actually very sensitive to fragrances in skincare. I don't love when everything has a different smell, and this stuff has a very light and refreshing smell, so I love that. It's very easy to apply. Let me show you just how easy it is. So it does have a little dropper, which is great, and you only need a small amount. So after you wash and pat dry your face, you can just put a little bit in your hand, rub it in, and then start to apply it to your face, always going in an upward motion with skincare, and then the neck and décolleté as well. You can see just how bright and airy my skin is, and I can literally feel a difference in how smooth my skin is after this is on it, which I love. I love that this just brings a nice revitalization to my skin, gets rid of all my dull spots, helps brighten up all my skin, and it feels good going on. So after this, I'll put on my moisturizer, my SPF, and my makeup, and I will be ready for the day. This serum is also loaded with other great ingredients like vitamin E, aloe, hyaluronic acid, and witch hazel, and I just love how they have formulated this product to be refreshing, revitalizing, and overall brightening for my skin. Who couldn't use a little skin brightening?
Here's a closer look at the bottle. It is 60 milliliters, and I love that this product is made in the USA. The serum came packaged really nicely in an amber glass bottle with a dropper. I love that this product is just nice and light. You can see just how light it is, and I love that it's dye-free as well.
Now, I love the WOWMD Glow Fusion Vitamin C Serum, and I know this would be such a great product for so many different types of skin, and I would definitely recommend it.